how to collect some more cars to add to your train. Yes, sir. Okay, Edward, you could go off. Oh, then there's trouble. They're pushing me. They're pushing me. Everyone started to go faster and faster. Then there was trouble. The signal points were changed. So Topham Hat came to the accident. Troublesome Trucks, you've been very naughty indeed. You have pushed these freight cars too far. Now look at the mess you've done. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Now we'll need to get the breakdown train. Wait, sir. I think I might be able to pull these trucks out. So Edward started. He pulled and he pulled. Yes, sir. I got them. Edward, good job. But the trucks are a mess. Yes, sir. I'll take them to the steamworks, sir. They'll know what to do. The cars refurbished. The end.